So back to what I was saying. Could be us. Could be us.
Hi guys, and today we will be taking old stickers off the car and we'll be cleaning out the inside because it is mucky. So let's get into this. So we're going to start cleaning out the inside of the car. Yeah, we're going to start with the back and the spare wheel bit. But yeah, as you can see, I've cleaned out the driver's side already, but the passenger side and behind the chair and that is just minging. But we're just going to start with the spare wheel here. So as you can see, the back is cleaned out now. It's looking much better than it was before. Yeah, that spare wheel bit is looking much better. And now we're going to start on the passenger side. So let's get into it. Yeah, it's looking much better than it was at the start, but we've still got a lot to clean out. So yeah. There we have it. It's looking much better than it was before. Now we're on to behind the seat. It's looking pretty dirty, but it's hard to get to because it's under the seat. But there we are, it's looking much better than it was at the start. It's kind of hard to get to because of the seat, but yeah, it's looking much better. And there is the whole car. It's looking much better than it was at the start, I'll tell you that. Yeah, driver's side was already done, but you can see the passenger side, it's much better. That's going to wrap it up for this video. The car is looking so much better than it was before. We've got the number removed from this side. Yeah, and I know this episode was short, but I'll try and get them longer, and you can see the inside is much better. But if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Try and get episodes out every 2 days, but as I'm going back to school, it's going to be a bit harder. So you'll just see them when they're up, so turn post notifications on, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one.